Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we're gonna talk about an issue of PlayStation 5. So the PS5 is showing an error code ce-108262-9, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. The following error indicates that there was an issue while reading the system software or application data, and in order to fix it, you have to update your PS5 console system software to the latest version. If the error occurs after starting the game, then delete the game or application and then reinstall it again. And for that, go to settings, go to storage, go to console storage, select games and apps, select the data which you want to delete and then select delete. After the completion of the process, you can reinstall the game again. The next thing you can do is that rebuild the database. And for that, first of all, turn off your console by holding the power button. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again and release it after you hear the second beep sound, and then connect the controller with USB cable and press the PS button on the controller, and then you will get many options. Then simply select the option of rebuild database. If this method doesn't work, then simply reset the PS5 console, and after resetting your console, install the game and application again. So these were some ways by which you can fix your issue. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.